Alright, so we're gonna go haul a gooseneck with this bad boy here. We got a gooseneck hitch and a good old ball in there. And I got a hitch down here now. And this bumper was in the way. And I kind of used this part off, so it was just hanging down. And so it was just hanging out a little bit. But I backed up to this tree here to rip the bumper off with the chain. Yeah, this bumper is on the road somewhere. I don't know where it's at, honestly. I was going to rip it off this morning because I was trying to grind it off, and I was like, this is taking way too long. I'll just rip it off tomorrow. Went to Claire's house last night, and this morning, it's gone now, so I don't know where it went. So let's go get hauling. All right, let's hook right up to this boy. Ooh, we're a little off. All right, I got the trailer all hooked up, ready to go. Alrighty, fellas, welcome back to the good old YouTube channel. How's everybody doing today? Good, good, good. Better be doing good, because if you ain't doing good, you better be doing good. What we're doing today, we got the gooseneck hooked up. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Going off the road there, hoss. We are going to Cole Motors and picking up the old frame from the old F-150. And we're going to be doing some fun stuff with it, so let's go get it. Alright, so this is extremely sketchy. Let me show you what we're dealing with. Hold on. Sitting in the middle here because I don't have any mirrors. And when I want to get over, I have to reach over here. I have to reach my arm over to the passenger side, out the window, hold my phone out the window, have the front facing camera on, and see if there's anyone's in the lane, so I can get over. So it's a little sketchy, very sketchy. Let me give it a chance. Stay in this lane. We're on this road for about 50 miles. Should be fine. I know most of you are like, Clayton, why don't you just look back? I can't see anything except for the trailer and the freaking stack. Yeah. So I was looking out the window to make sure I was good to get back in the left lane. Freaking hat flew right out the window. Nice. So someone just got a free Sherp hat. So we got the truck, barely see it, but it's back there. We got a little stupid idiots up here. Let me show you. Look at these idiots. Someone's down in the freaking ditch here. Whoa, gonna rear end this guy. Someone down in the ditch. Idiot. Another idiot there. Idiots today. Hey, you can't park down there, hoss. Hey, can't park down there. Hey. Windshield wipers are on too there, bud. Yeah, I'd turn those off if I were you. Got some debris on the road. Looks like this tard over here freaking T-boned them and sent them right down the ditch. Oh, we got the city of Bernie over here. Oof. Big oof there, hoss. Hey, looks like you're leaking some oil or something there, hoss. I'd get that checked out. Alrighty, we got the old gal on the trailer. Got her home. I just gotta find a spot to put her, and then we're gonna get her running, put a seat on it, and then just yeehaw the hell out of it. Alright, we got the old gal out here at the woods. Gonna unload her over there, because we ain't got no room up the house. So, who remembers this thing? Who remembers this video, trying to put this thing on? Stupid. Let's not even talk about that. It makes me angry thinking about it. But if you're a real OG, you remember this Canon air filter. That's a unit. It's a little rusty, but it's just a mud truck. But we're gonna set it back over here. Who are you, boy? We're gonna set it back over there by the wood, and freaking wind. We are gonna take the stack jacked and they're gonna get this thing all ready, straight axle swap, all this bull crap and everything on this bad boy. They're gonna do everything. Okay, hold on. They're gonna do everything to get this bad boy going, weld the little seat on and everything, just to get her going. And we're gonna pop, 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 pop. We're gonna yeet it. We're gonna yeet it. Tractor coming down. That's a tractor right there, hoss. Well, yeah, we're gonna beat the crap out of it. You know, maybe go over some jumps, maybe mud bog. Wop, pop, pop, pop. I think we're gonna make it 4-wheel drive. So if you have a transmission that's 4-wheel drive with the transfer case, hit me up right away because I need it now. Do backflip. All right. So let me clear some stuff. This here is the old frame and everything off the F-150. I know all you freaking idiots think this frame was gonna hold up the 12 valve. No, idiots. The F-150 is body swapped onto a first gen. I bought a first gen, this picture right here. Look at this dude. I bought a first gen, took the cabin body off and that bull crap, took everything off, threw the F-150 body on it, and that's how it did. That's how she is. That's how it is. So further ado, let's get this bad boy unloaded right now. Who's this tard? That dude in the tractor. What the heck? Get out of there, boy! That's traditional land there, hoss. Alrighty. Got a good cold start here on the old Gale today.
Your life experiences.
You better pipe right down, boy.
Apply online at betheluniversity.edu.
Shut it. Shh. Shh. Alright. Colt, let's open up the window so we can hear it. Nice cold start. Oh, it's 48 degrees. See right there? That's what our water temp is. 48 degrees. Gonna give her a nice little start. Whoa! Barely wanted to start. Had to crank it over like 15,000 times. Oof. Alright, one other thing here. If you guys have any ideas for what to do with this bad boy, then let me know. What is this guy doing? What in Dale Jr.? The old freaking tractor's over there in the ditch or something, I don't know. But if there's anything you want me to do, I know you guys have some very great ideas. So if y'all have any great ideas, let me know, because like maybe a weird higher setup or something, I don't know. Y'all have some weird things, so we might try all the weird things. I don't know, maybe we'd put a whole couch on the back so we have passengers. Who knows? Maybe we have like a whole living room back there. Who knows? Maybe we have a whole house back there. It's a little sleeper. Put a whole sleeper on this thing, go trucking. Oh yes. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know what we should do to this bad boy. Y'all got 2 weeks to let me know what we should do to this thing. Maybe we could put as big of tires as we want on this thing. We could put like 90s on this boy. We could take the headers off. We could run exhaust clear out to here. Whatever y'all want. Put it down in the comments now if y'all want to see something crazy. All right, so let's unload this bad boy for the 50th time. All right, let's take this boy out of neutral. Alrighty. Let's push her right off the trailer. Oh, the stupid tires are being retarded again. Okay. Come on, you old heifer. You cow and a half. Let's straighten this boy up. That ain't good. Perfect. Now, quit it. Quit turning, you cow. The hell is your problem? Why? Get off the trailer. You're like 2 inches away. Get off the trailer, I'm gonna kick you. There she goes. Yep. Why? Why are you stopping? What is your... Oh, you piece of garbage. Give it a license. Straighten this tire right out. Come on, right out the trailer. Come on. Yep, yep, yep. There you go. Oh, you tard. You know what? Let's jump in the old skid loader, eh? We'll get you right off. Alrighty, let's get this boy off the trailer here. Oh, that's not good. Oh, oh, oh! Look at that front! Look at that front! Ooh! Look at that sunset. Ooh, very nice. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna have to keep on backing right up. And she's caught on the trailer now. Lift her all the way up. That'll do it. Keep her going backwards. Yep. A little hair. Oh, there she goes. Almost. Oh my gosh, look at him. Yep. A little more. A little more. Yep. Tires are on the ground. That will do her. It's like a wheelbarrow for a skid loader. Yes. Alright, let's keep on, get her going. Oh, you tard. Oh, good enough. Yeah, we definitely got the old Duramax mod up in here. Oof. Yeah.